Hello world. You may have noticed from my TikTok that I took a lot of girls for rides. It was a short meetings where I gave emotions to others and didn't get anything in return. But one day that changed, because I met Alice.
Hi, beautiful. I like your
Hi.
motorcycle, your color. How are you doing?
Just chilling.
Can you give me a number here? Maybe we can go ride?
I think. Okay, let's take a short ride, and if you will be faster than me, then I'll give you a number.
All right, let's
Okay.
go. Like that?
Yeah, you win.
So, okay, I need your number.
We stopped to talk and decided to go for a ride together, and I completely forgot to take her number.
Gold walls that I built for you just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, gold walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't, no, I didn't see it coming. Well, I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life. The love of my life.
So beautiful, girl. Where is your number? Why I should chasing you?
Yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot. Okay, I'll give you my number because you're a winner.
Yes, yes. And what is your name?
Alice.
Alice.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Alice. My name is Hero.
Oh, here. Nice
Yes,
to meet
yes,
you,
and
Hero.
I will be your hero.
Okay.
Alice, thank you for your number.
Yeah.
What do you do?
Nothing. I have a free time.
Nothing. I see this beautiful place. We can make photo shoot for you if you want.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah,
Cool
that's good.
idea. Yeah.
Nice. So let's place bike there and make cool photos.
Okay, let's do
Let's
it.
go. Oh yeah. That's cool. Wait. Okay, have a look.
Oh my god. How cool.
Yeah, I like it. This is so much.
Yeah.
Colors,
We're
like-
almost kissing with the bike.
Yeah.
It's a true love, you see?
It is, yeah.
Yeah.
So you enjoy the
Oh my
photos,
God.
right?
Yeah. You're a genius.
Oh my God! Thank you so
Really.
much. Thank you so much.
It was a lovely evening. I was very pleased to meet Alice, and very much looked forward to meeting her again. And it has happened.
Nice, man. Good. TikTok. I'm famous. Yes, hello guys. Now I'm just waiting for Alice. She said that she will arrive here at the opera, my favorite place here in Riga. I want to make something interesting with her, and I hope she will agree with that. With pink bike. I love her bike. Hi, beautiful Alice. Nice to see you. Come on.
Hi.
Yeah, nice. So, how are you?
I'm good. What you doing? Waiting
y-
for me.
Yeah, I'm waiting for you. I have offer for you. Maybe you want this time ride with me on my motorcycle.
I never ride as a second number, so I would like to ride. You see, I have my own bike, so
Yeah, but
I think
that's
we can
true.
just ride together.
Maybe yes, but I want to make something interesting with my bike. Maybe if you never ride a second number, maybe let's try to something new. I think
I
it
don't
will
know.
it will be very good experience for you as a second number
Very
as
good
well.
experience to be a second number.
I'm a good rider, so you will be in safe, and I think it will be very cool for you. New experience, new emotions.
Yeah, I know that you're a good rider, but I'm also a good rider, so I can ride myself.
Oh, you so don't wanna go with me on my bike. It's so interesting. But you remember, you filmed that video, how it happens. So
Yeah.
why you think that this time not be like the same?
The kidnapping. Oh.
You see, I will place you on the right place right
Okay,
now.
okay,
So
I
you
know.
don't have a choice.
Oh my God, you're so confident.
Yeah, thank you. So let's go have a little ride, and I will bring you back.
Okay, fine. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm afraid of you.
Awesome, awesome. Let's go.
I've been wanting to say this for some time. That I'm ready to make the next move. You and I. You make me feel at home. You are my spiritual ghost. I know you travel far so that I'm not alone. You are the reason why I can walk out at night. Baby, let's reach the sky.
I like it.
We are something special. I love extraterrestrial. We don't know how good we have it. Loving ain't easy for me. And I get like ABC. You make me
You jumped from my bike.
Yes, I did it. No, it's freaking bad to be a second number because I was stressing out all the way.
Do you enjoy the second number?
Not really.
Oh, fuck.
No, I'm enjoying with you, but it's like I understand that it's like very dangerous to be a second number actually.
That's only because you ride before.
Really? Yeah.
But you
I know
don't-
it's not about you. It's like I know that you're a good writer, but I mean like there is not a lot of space for
Hi, mate. Beautiful, Alice. I see you didn't enjoy so much be as a second number.
I enjoyed it only because of you.
Oh, thank you so much. I will remember that.
Yeah, only because of you. But I would never write a second number, never ever again. But only with you.
Yeah, sure. If you will wait for me, I just wanted to come back here in Latvia to ride with you again.
Deal.
Yeah, and look, I remember we had talk without cameras and everything that you never ride something more like your bike, and I want to offer you to change bikes.
What?
Yeah,
No.
let's try. I think it's.
Okay, I can give you my bike, but I'm afraid to ride yours.
I know, but don't worry.
Oh my god, you're so crazy.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh my god, you're like one of the most crazy persons I've ever met. But I like it, like in a positive way.
Yeah.
I don't know. Okay, we can try.
Yeah, sure. If you will feel like not safe or something, yeah, you just stop and say that
Yeah.
it's enough, no, and like that, yeah.
Okay, yeah, crazy idea, but I like it.
All right, you see, I know that you have more experience than other girls I met. That's why I want to bring to you something new, emotions, feelings. So I think this will be so great.
Okay, cool.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Yeah, just sit on my bike.
Just now?
Yeah. I'm not joking at
I
all.
was like, okay. Oh my god, man, you're not afraid to
No.
be like here in the city, okay?
Oh my gosh, it's so cool.
Oh my god.
It's
Arms are so short. Oh my god, but it's so unusual to sit like that.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Because I'm sitting like
yeah.
on the chopper. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. I'll do it. I can do it.
Yeah. Two sniffs off the glass of that cocaine. She's out of this world, Buzz Aldrin way. I know she ain't trying to cause problems. When she wears the skinnies, all the drama's gonna follow. She talks all night to a cigarette, trying to make ways to escape from the projects. Always made waves, didn't need a beach to get wet. Never flip-flops when you bringing up the subject. Waist deep in a water so cold, got a heart of glass and a mind that's stoned, yeah. She's back to her selfish ways where the boys get played. She's been into games, yeah. Wants what she wants, and loves what she wants, and drugs what she wants. She gets what she wants. She's not the type to settle for much. She always gets what she wants. She's not the type to settle for much. She always gets what she wants. She always gets what she wants. She always gets what she wants.
How it was?
I'm so happy, I'm telling you.
Yeah?
It was, I mean, it was like freaking nice, and I was like riding all the way and thinking that I need a sport bike. Oh my god.
You enjoyed this ride?
Yes,
so...
I enjoyed it like a lot, like extremely enjoyed it.
That's awesome.
Oh my god, and it's so freaking nice.
Do you enjoy the racing speed? Or you didn't feel like in this short term?
Actually, I didn't feel even the speed, like racing speed. I was looking at this like speedometer, and it was like 90 or something, and you don't feel it.
Yeah.
You don't feel it absolutely. You're like going like 40 or something. I was like, what?
Yeah.
How? Because this one, it's very light, you know. And when you
Increase the speed,
yes,
you feel
it,
everything,
like,
wind.
instantly. Yes,
Yeah.
you're like this. If you will, I have no words. I really like it.
You see?
I'm happy. Oh my god. Oh.
It was worth it to try.
Yes, absolutely.
And I'm so happy that you did that with my bike. Yeah. No, for real.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you a lot. Like, I think that when you will come back to Latvia one day,
Yeah.
I will be already riding a sport bike. I'm telling you.
I'm sure.
Yeah, but I enjoyed everything: the speed, the softness, and how you sit. Like you're like always. Oh no, that's fine.
Don't worry, yeah.
Like you're always on your arms and.
That's awesome. Alright, so as we don't have much time, I want to make some photos of you on my bike right
Okay.
now, here. had ride with me, and right now I want to ride with you on my motorcycle.
Okay.
Just a little bit, yeah.
Okay.
So you take full control on my bike, and I will be your second number.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah,
Let's do
that's
it.
fine.
Let's
go.
be crazy.
Oh, how you do that?
Okay. Do I have a choice? No. Oh my god. Are you ready for a ride?
Yes.
Let's go, baby. Don't be afraid. Oh my god, I'm a professional rider.
Let's go.
No, wait.
Oh my god.
Don't be afraid, baby.
Let's go. I'm so scared.
Are you crazy?
For real.
Oh my god. No! No! Oh, crazy hero. Okay, we're fine. We're alive. Oh my god.
That was so awesome, right?
It was crazy. You're a crazy person, really. Oh my god, I didn't know that you're such a
What?
you're such a crazy. Yeah.
But crazy in good thing or bad?
Yeah, and positive. And did you enjoy the ride with
I
me?
enjoyed so much.
Okay, me too, actually. But it was really fun.
That
It
was
so
so
fun.
awesome. I so enjoyed this ride with you.
My hands are shaking.
Mine too. There was some 2 or 3 moments when I was scared for real, and that's only because I never ride a second number.
Yeah.
I didn't know how to really sit there.
Yeah.
I all the time say to anyone where to put the hands,
Yeah.
how to sit. But when you ride me,
Yeah, because you see, it's so a little space there for
but
yeah, ass. Yeah, I didn't
Yeah.
want to say that, but okay, yeah, for ass. But yeah, oh my god, dude, you almost felt. In one moment, you're like, ah!
yeah, I hold on you.
It was so fun. Now I understand why men like to ride
Right,
girls,
yeah.
but it's more fun, believe me, to ride a rider.
I think I so enjoyed this ride, so that's why I want to repeat that. You're really awesome. You're really
Thank
awesome.
you.
So cool, girl.
You too. It was amazing.
Not only for video, but just I got this emotion.
Yeah, because it's like for you, like you're making a video, okay, I like it, but I don't care. Like it was for me, it was like a huge emotion. I was like,
I just forgot about video ideas, everything. I just trying to find where to put hands, like everything. It was so awesome.
I can say that this one was like one of the best experiences of my life, like one of the best, like top 5, really. Like bungee jumping,
Yeah.
like I don't know, diving somewhere, and this one is like in this top.
So crazy.
Yeah, because riding alone, yeah, it was cool, it was nice, and I was also like already thinking about buying a
New one?
sport bike.
Yeah.
Maybe leave this one and afford a sport bike also.
Yeah.
Who knows? But this one, it was crazy. And when you like took my hand, it was like so fun. Oh my god.
It just was like happening,
Yeah.
And yeah, that's
You
what I
just
like.
did what you did. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it was good.
It was a wonderful time. I got a lot of positive emotions. So, if you like this video, leave your comments and subscribe to not miss the next video. See you.